Welcome back to Class 10 Science, Chapter 15, Our Environment, Part 2. In this video, we shall be looking at two of the environmental problems in detail, that are ozone layer depletion and waste disposal. So let's start. First, let's discuss about the ozone layer. So ozone or O3 is a molecule formed by three atoms of oxygen. It is a deadly poison. At higher levels of atmosphere, it performs an essential function. It shields the surface of Earth from the ultraviolet radiations of the sun. This radiation is highly damaging to organisms and it causes skin cancer in humans. So now let's discuss how ozone is formed. The UV rays split molecular oxygen into free oxygen atoms in the atmosphere. These free atoms combine with molecular oxygen to form the O3 molecule. But the problem is that the amount of ozone in the atmosphere began to drop sharply in 1980s. This is due to the chemicals like CFCs, which are used in refrigerants and in fire extinguishers. So the solution is that in 1987, the United Nations Environment Programme or the UNEP made an agreement to freeze CFC production. It is now mandatory for all manufacturing companies to make CFC-free refrigerators throughout the world. Now let's discuss the second environmental hazard, which is disposal of garbage. In our daily activities, we generate a lot of material that is thrown away. In a town or city, we are sure to find heaps of garbage all over the place. Wastes are of two types: biodegradable wastes and non-biodegradable wastes. Substances that are broken down by biological processes are called biodegradable. For example, food, paper, etc. And substances which are not broken down by action of bacteria or other saprotrophs are called non-biodegradable wastes. These substances may be inert and simply persist in the environment for a long time, or they may harm the various members of the ecosystem. For example, plastic and polythene bags. They may be acted upon by heat and pressure, but under normal conditions of the environment, they persist for a long time. But the problem is that improvements in our lifestyle have resulted in greater amounts of waste generation. Thus, we need to find effective ways of disposing wastes. With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Thanks for watching.